Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13F and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately, all we have to do is to find the app which is pre-installed on this device, which is called Phone Manager. So let's tap on it, of course give all the permissions it needs, and then tap on viruses and risks. So now your device will basically scan itself in order to find any kind of malware, viruses, problems, or whatever. It will simply try to find something which is basically not right and out of place. And after that, your device will show the results. In my case, everything is all right, the device is secured, and here we've got some kind of recommended optimizations like the storage cleanup or system boost. However, if it will find any kind of problems in your case, it will of course show the information about it and possible steps which you can take in order to get rid of this problem. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.